I was shooting 2 straight. Remember banned for literally no reason?
There's nothing wrong with me cheating. What is wrong with me cheating?
Alright, Callofduty is a scumbag. Like, there's no two ways about it. Like, the man is a scumbag.
Amen, cautions. Amen.
So tired of these 30 IQ brain-dead idiots who listen to people like Zen.
The streamer Divinity was recently caught cheating in Call of Duty. This incident transpired a few days ago, when he decided to twerk while streaming, accidentally causing the cheat software to glitch, exposing his cheats live on stream for everyone to see. He still refuses to identify as a cheater. After the cheater was exposed, he went on stream to offer an apology, and to become as transparent as possible. Clearly this streamer's claim of transparency was nonsense, as there was no apology, only excuses. He claims he has never transferred any money to cheat developers, and his friend did everything. I cannot verify this information, as I could not find the transaction for this purchase, thus unable to tell what transpired.
I obviously was not cheating before. I'm just gonna say that right now. I'm gonna be honest. I bought them on the 29th, yesterday. I bought them yesterday. Yeah, and I don't want to throw anyone under the bus, but I asked someone, you probably know who, how to set it up. Okay. I lost in finals 3 times yesterday on Warzone, so I got mad. And I never set them up. I don't know how to do the settings. I don't know what I was doing.
Divinity then decided to brag how much money he made, while currently slap bang in the middle of a cheating scandal. He seemed very intransigent about everything, which I found strange. However, based on the money that was being shown, clearly a transfer took place at some point, which is disgusting. These streamers are all the same. Arrogant, ignorant and with no social skills. Streamers like Divinity think it's acceptable to cheat for money. I asked for all the money to be returned, however I was told the funds are non-transferable, which was disappointing.
So yeah. And for everyone saying, hacked for $1, broke bitch. Look. Personally, it doesn't faze me. Now, I had many ways to come back to this. And this is the route I chose.
But it gets worse, he just doesn't care.
Let's not act like, once again, I'm not the only person that's ever cheated. There's people that cheat for years upon years casually. Just on casual games. Or people who got caught cheating. I'm hoping I can just get console restricted and I can still play with some people. I know some people that I used to play with don't want to play with me ever again, even if I get console restricted, which I understand. But I'm hoping I can just get console restricted and just keep playing. I don't know about COD agents, so I'm gonna have to check.
But it gets worse, he just doesn't care. He knows that the league will just assign him to console. This happens constantly in the all-female league. Instead of banning suspected cheaters, they assign them to console and they can still win thousands of dollars, like Omit Cely when she was allegedly caught with a Cronus Zen. Completely ignored by the all-female league. She recently teamed up with her boyfriend Shifty and won $20,000. Meanwhile, Twitch won't allow banned cheaters to flaunt their cash. His account has now been permanently banned. But the cheater has now gone over to Kick, he doesn't care at all. Recently, Faze, Swagg and Zlaner were spectated with wallhacks. I refused to cover these, as I found no evidence of cheating. The only person to cover this was Badboy Beaman. It was ready-made content for him, but he didn't care. He farmed the community for his clicks and views.
What's he shooting there? What's he shooting at? Like, what? Like...
Yet enemies can easily be seen. But, I think you knew that. He was getting confused by minimap pings.
Was only showing one ping on the minimap as well, on the UAV.
As his hatred for Zlaner clouds his analysis.
If that isn't sus, I don't know what is. Let's watch again.
Yet a window smash clearly alerts him to the location.
Well, how's that now?
And of course, Zlaner running past enemy players, completely debunking wallhack claims.
Wow! Wow!
The streamers have used this to discredit all my hard work. I tried to reach out to him privately to express my concerns, but he just blocked me. And that's okay. You, the community that trust our analysis, deserve to be treated with respect, and not farmed for clicks and views. Catching cheating streamers needs to be done correctly. Not like this. We all watched the World Series of Warzone live on this channel. I exposed it as one giant bot lobby. But, when I was exposing them, you were congratulating them.
The people are expecting something from me to do with Diaz, Biffle and Shifty. So let me just say this, guys, congratulations on winning the World Series of Warzone Global Finals. Absolute fantastic performance. It definitely shows that you guys have got good game skills when it comes to playing on LAN events. From this point forward, I will not be posting videos on Diaz, Biffle or Shifty. Fuck Call of Shame, fuck everything they do. Call of Shame, go fuck yourself.
UAV online. Tactical nuke ready for launch. Tactical nuke incoming!
Well done. Call of Shame wins. Flawless victory.